Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, good morning. Welcome back, all of you.
Welcome back. Good morning.
There was a power
Yes,
cut,
sir.
power failure, so therefore it was a technical issue. So, as we begin the chapter, Evans tries an O level. We are going to read about the characters, the major character, the protagonist of the chapter is Ivan himself. Ivan is the main character, and then other than Ivans, there are also other characters. The names I have written here. So, McClary, McClary is a parson, he is a priest. He was sent for conducting Ivan's exam into the prison. There was another person, that is Mr. Jackson. Mr. Jackson is a senior police officer. He was taking care of Ivan in the jail. Then governor. Governor was the supreme head of the prison. You can say he was a jailer. He was taking complete care of the prison, especially where Evans was staying. And under him, Mr. Jackson, Stephen, and other police officers were working. Another character is Stephen. Now, who was Stephen? Stephen, he was a newly recruit, and he his duty was to guard Ivan's cell. Now, as we read the story of Ivan's tries and O level, what is O level? So, I had told you that O level is a certificate, it is the name of the exam. Now, Ivan, the prisoner, his full name was James Roderick Evans. James Roderick Evans was a prisoner, and he was this time imprisoned at Oxford Prison. It was a highly safe, secure jail, and he was kept in the jail because he had already escaped from the prison 4 times. 4 times he had already escaped from the prison. Therefore, the governor, the officers, everybody, they were so much conscious, worried about keeping Evans in the prison. If Ivan had taken a chance to run, to escape from the prison, then it would have been insult on their duty, on their personality. Therefore, especially the governor was very much careful about it. Now, Ivan was a leptomaniac. Leptomaniac means a person who steals for fun. So, Ivan had the habit of stealing. But stealing for what? Stealing for fun, stealing for entertainment, stealing for torturing the police officers. He was also called Evans the jailbreak. Evans the jailbreak. Why Evans the jailbreak? Because he had already escaped from the prison 4 times. And the officers, the police officers, those who were there, they were afraid of him, because they knew that anytime he can take any action, and he can escape from the jail, and then it would be a remark on their duty that you have not done your duty properly. So everybody, the people, those who were there, they were very, very careful, especially in vigilating the Ivan. Now, Ivan was a very, very clever. He was a very clever, very cunning man. And in this story, we shall read how he planned his escape, the fifth time his escape from the prison, and he was successful in escaping. He was successful, he was caught, but however, he befooled the governor. He tricked the governor, and he was free now. So, as we read the chapter, you shall come to know about different character traits of Ivans and other characters who are there in the story. So I have given you the short introduction of Ivan, that Ivan was the jailbreak. Officers were afraid of him, and this time he was in the jail and he was studying German language. He was studying which language? German language. And actually, the purpose of his study was not to learn a language. The purpose of his studying in the jail was to execute the plan escaping from the jail. So Ivan was studying in the jail whole year. He was trying, he was showing to the governor and everybody that he is a changed man, he is studying. And there used to be a tutor. Every day a teacher used to come to teach Ivan. But you would be surprised to know that this teacher was none other than Ivan's friend. He was Ivan's friend, and for 6 months he was coming to teach Ivan, and they were all planning how to escape, what to do, what are the things to carry, etc. McClary. Now, who is McClary? McClary was a priest, he was a parson, he was a minister at Saint Mary Max. Now, Saint Mary Max, it was the name of the monastery. It was the name of the place where the priest used to live. So, when the secretary of the board center, when the secretary of the board center, he called up to governor, he asked about Ivan. He said, how is the guy? Is he violent? He is very dangerous. How to conduct his exam? Now, this time, and in India also, and many other countries also, they allow a prisoner, they allow a criminal to study. The criminal or a prisoner, he can remain in the jail and he can prepare for his career. He can prepare for his exam. He can go for any study he likes to do. In India also and other countries also, this freedom is given to the prisoner, and if it is very dangerous prisoner, then special permission is granted from the court. Now, when the exam of O level was to be taken place, governor was worried how to conduct the exam, because if we send him to the board center where the exam is going to be conducted, he might hostage the invigilator and he might also escape from there. So that is the reason the governor called to the secretary of the board exam and he asked him to arrange the exam for Ivan in O level. Now, for that, the secretary, he inquired little bit information about Ivan, and finally he thought that Ivan should be allowed to give the exam in the prison itself. He need not come to the board's center or to the any specified school. Rather, exam can be arranged for him in the prison itself. So when the exam was arranged for him in the prison, the secretary of the board, he also said that there would be an invigilator. He would be coming to invigilate Ivan. If Ivan's need any help, how to write roll number, how to write name, where to write, if he has got any confusion in the question paper, etc. So there will be an invigilator so that Ivan doesn't cheat in the exam. So McClary was appointed by the secretary of board. But at the end of the chapter, again you would come to know that instead of McClary, the invigilator who came, he impersonated McClary. Impersonated means he came in the get-up of McClary. An actual McClary, a real McClary, he was captured in his own room. He was tied to his chair in his own room. It was later on find out. Jackson. Now Jackson was a senior officer in the prison. His duty was to take care of Ivan's safety. Ivan stays in the jail. Ivan doesn't harm anyone, and he was entrusted with his duty along with Stephen. And he was the one who was inspecting Ivan before the exam and during the exam also. Governor, as I already told you, the governor's role is very, very crucial in conducting the exam because the governor was the supreme head of the prison. He took permission, special permission from the secretary of the board, and he asked to conduct the exam, arrange the exam in the prison itself because of safety and security issue of Ivan. Stephen was a newly recruit, and because of Stephen, it seems that Ivan was able to escape from the jail. But not only Stephen, even governor was befooled by Ivan. So Stephen was the one who escorted Ivan's friend outside of the prison, and Ivan's friend who was in disguise in get-up of McClary. So in short, you might have understood what is the story, who are the characters, what is their role. Now I want to
So
ask,
what is recruit?
yes, say.
So what is recruit?
Recruit. Okay. Okay. Recruit. RECRUIT. Recruit means a new joining. For example, a teacher is joining a new school. For example, in Roopnagar Public School, any new teacher comes, fresh teacher means he is teaching for the first time. He is in any job for the first time. So that is recruit. He is a new recruit, new appointment. You could say new appointment, new joinee. That is the meaning of recruit or recruitment. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now, now one of you will tell the class the story of Ivan in your own words. So one who is prepared, one who wants to say the summary of Ivan's in your own words, he can raise his hand. Those who are interested, they can raise their hand. Okay, so I can see one hand is of Gracie. So only Gracie is interested. What about others? Others are not there. Okay, so Gracie, you will tell the story in your own words. Okay, you can take help of the mind map which I had sent you on the group and which is made.
Sir, I have written my own summary, so may I narrate that?
Yes, you can narrate your own summary. Okay, yes, go ahead.
So Evans was a prisoner breaker. So after breaking out of prison thrice, he is in prison a fourth time. He decided to break away a fourth time and is again successful. He did so by desiring to have some sort of academic qualification while serving his imprisonment. So for this, he wanted to take the O-level examination in German. A German teacher would come to teach him and for 10 months in the prison. So after that, the examination is arranged in his cell itself. A person called MC Larry is called to invigilate for the exam. The governor himself supervised all security arrangements lest the prisoner might escape during the exam. So, two prisoner officers were deputed to keep an eye on him. The person left with all the papers after the exam and exam got over. So, however, later it discovered that the Evans had escaped in the guise of a person. So, Evans had badly wounded the person behind the prison cell. The person tells that he knew where Evans might be found. So at once he was sent in a police van to catch the prisoner. So as the person was bleeding, so he was taken to a hospital on the way. Then later it was found that uh, what that no wounded person had ever come to the hospital. I mean, there was no person who was wounded. So now it was known and realized that Evans had not escaped in the guise of the person ancillary. He stayed in and befooled the entire prison staff. The blood flowing from his head had not been his own blood. It was rather the pig's blood that MC Larry had cleverly managed to bring in. So similarly, MC Larry was not the person. So the real person, MC Larry, was tied by some man in his room since morning. So towards the end of the story, the government got hold of Evans in the hotel room, then handcuffed Evans and sent away in the prison officer in the prison van. So once again, Evans got the better of the governor. Both the prison officer and the prison van had been a part of the plan mastered by Evans' friends. Then Evans had been able to escape from the prison 3 times earlier also, and once again he became a free bird. Then due to this reason, the prison officer used to call him Evans the Break.
Very good. So that is the summary in short by Gracie. Evans tries an O level. So he tries an O level. He wants to give the exam of O level, but actually it was his scheme, his planning to come out of the prison, and he was successful in doing so. Yes. Now next person. One more person in detail. Yes, who wants to try now? Say, even though Gracie has said, but I want one more person. You can narrate the story because tomorrow onwards only I would narrate. We shall read together. Yes, Sahil Kashwani, have you read this? Shreya Khandelwal, Chirag Meena, Aditya Agrawal, no, Gorang Soni, no response. All of you have become a statue. Prakshal Daga, what about you?
Yes, sir, I have read the chapter.
Are you listening? My voice is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you have read
Yes,
this
sir.
chapter. You have read this chapter. Now, can you tell the story in your own words to the class?
Sir, I will try.
Okay, try and you will succeed. Yes, so first it was said by Gracie. Now, one more student from the class, and rest of you, listen. You are only sitting idle, it seems. Sahil, Shreya, Mukul, no response from you. Gorang, Chirag, Aditya. I don't know what you're doing. You have just simply log in and doing some other work, it seems. Are you there?
No, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So listen to her carefully. Yes, Prakshal, begin the story in your own words.
Yes, sir. So here in the story, Ivan is a criminal who is famous for breaking out from prisons. Uh, he has already break out from many prisons. Now he is kept in Oxford prison.
Okay, 1 minute. So one who is famous for bad things, what do we call? Is the famous word correct for it?
No, sir.
What is the word? What is appropriate word for that?
That didn't, it's on the tip of my tongue. It was in the novel
Yes,
Da Vinci
notorious.
Board.
Notorious.
Notorious, notorious.
So one who is known for his bad works, bad behavior, that is notorious, famous for bad things. Yes, Prakshal, continue.
Yes, sir. So when he asked to he wanted to participate in an examination of Oxford level. He asked his governor, and governor asked to academic secretary, who allow him to conduct examination in prison as per his wish. Governor, with his officers, conduct all the necessary arrangements for the same. As Ivan had no record of violence, he was a pleasant uh, in conduct. When Saint McElary came and starts take as an invigilator, he helps Evans to escape from there, and a German tutor was also hired for teaching Ivan, and he also befriended with him. During exam, German with his officers kept an eye over him so that he couldn't escape, but Ivan befooled him and escaped from there. When Stephen noticed that uh, he was not in his cell and escaped from there, he go with his an officer and try to search him. At that moment, governor asked uh, call an officer and ask him to search about him. He he told him that he might be in a hotel in room number 112, where Stephen found him. There he caught him and sent him to their policeman and told him that they might meet in uh, jail. From there also he could escape with the help of his friend and becomes a free man.
Yes, very good, Prakshal. So, interesting story, interesting ways, interesting techniques Evans has used escaping from the prison, escaping from the jail. He has managed to trick the governor, one who thinks himself to be very clever, very smart, very intelligent. However, Ivan tricked everyone, those who were taking care of him, and he escaped. So, as we read the chapter, in the beginning of the chapter, we shall read about the conversation between secretary of the board exam that was going to conduct the exam of Ivan in German O level, and the governor, the in charge of the prison. They were talking about Ivan's, and after some time, the governor ordered Jackson, the guard, the senior officer in the prison. The governor ordered Jackson and Stephen to check Ivan's cell whether he is keeping any knife, any scissors, any razor, etc. If any weapon is there, he ordered them to remove everything, to check all the safety measures. And when early morning, when they went to Ivan on the day of exam, he was there. They ordered him to um, make shave and return his razor, his blade, his scissors, everything. Ivan had done so according to the officers demanded him, and the day of exam, it was started 9 o'clock, and then it went on for around 3 hours. And during 3 hours, the governor called, he kept an eye on Ivan through the microphone. He had fixed the microphone. The cameras were not there those days. So he had fixed a microphone in the Ivan cell. So whatever Ivan was saying, or if any wrong was happening in the cell, the governor could hear. So governor was keeping his eye, and time to time he phoned to Stephen and Jackson. He asked for the update of the exam and Ivan, but still Ivan had planned it such a wonderfully, such a beautifully, that he tricked everyone. He tricked the governor and all the officers, and he escaped, and he had a finally laugh. He made fun of governor and everybody. So we shall continue this chapter tomorrow, word to word, line to line. Sit, all of you, with your book. Read the chapter, those who have not read. Okay, we have done for today.